If you do have an air conditioner, it's a good time to use it. It's a good time to keep your windows closed, to keep your doors closed, and just run the air conditioner, keep it off of the fresh air intake, make it recirculate your air, and that'll really help with some of that smoke in your home.
You can still run your air conditioner. Your air conditioner doesn't bring in outside air. It just basically removes heat from your homes.
Is that the same with central air versus maybe a window unit?
With a window unit, yeah, they're usually blocked off, so they're not supposed to be bringing in outdoor air, but the problem that you run into is they're not sealed up very well, and they're letting all of this smoke in regardless. Central air conditioning, again, we're just working with the air that's inside your home, just moving heat around, so those shouldn't be bringing in any additional smoke from outside.
So I have a portable unit in my window of my apartment. I turned it on and felt like there was a bunch of smoke coming in and it increased the smoke smell. Any tips or thoughts on that?
That's probably just because it's not very sealed. I mean, they do have a baffled in the back of them, but they're just not very sealed up, so they shouldn't be exchanging indoor and outdoor air, but it's just they're not a sealed unit, so they're going to. So maybe not run it, or try to get it sealed up around the window as much as possible.
Central air and a window unit shouldn't be pulling air from outside.
Should not be.
So if you think it is pulling smoke in, it's probably because you didn't seal the window properly.
Yes, or the unit itself, you know, like I said, the unit itself should have a little sealing ballast behind there, or baffled behind there. It may not be sealed up all the way, so it might be bent or tweaked, and it's letting, as that fan blows, it might be letting outside air in through the back of it. Central air conditioning systems, they only exchange air from inside the home, so the only outside air you're getting is through that. You know, some of the newer homes are equipped with a fresh air system, so if you're getting smoke inside while you're running your air conditioning, it's probably the fresh air system, and you could find something to plug that off for now, for a few days anyway.
Lindsay Nabrich, KREM 2 News.